Hey guys, how's it going? This is Wojtek back again after I think a few years without making a video. I'm actually in Tahoe, quarantined with my eldest son, trying to stay away from the coronavirus as effectively as I possibly can, but also enjoying nature and keeping my distance while still enjoying the fruits of this beautiful earth. So, I wanted to actually come back and make a few videos specifically about the conversion I plan to do on my hand cycle from a regular hand cycle to an electrified hand cycle. I've been half obsessed looking at hundreds of different web pages, looking at different electric motor simulators, calculating what would be the optimal setup for my hand cycle, which, by the way, is not a cheap conversion. This is something that's going to cost on the order of $1,000 to upgrade. But ultimately, I'm hoping that this upgrade will take me from disabled hand cyclist to beyond able-bodied cyclists. I've been biking with my son up Highway 4, which has been a ton of fun. It's closed. Ebbets Pass is closed over the winter, so there's no cars on the road. And it's just been amazing just biking up it. But I feel like my son is going a little slower than he wants to. So hopefully with this electric e-bike hand cycle conversion, I can beat him up the hill and start waiting for him for a change, which would be nice. And I was hoping to create a multi-part series where I document how I ended up deciding which parts to get, how I ultimately installed it on the hand cycle, and what the final results were. I have not found a lot of resources for converting hand cycles to electric hand cycles, and I truly feel this could be a transformative technology. So I thought it'd be worthwhile to share it with everybody else. So this will be a multi-part series. I have plenty of time now that we're quarantined and only have one kid to take care of instead of three. So hopefully you guys go on this journey with me. And if you are yourself interested in converting your hand cycle to an electric hand cycle, please tag along. Feel free to ask me any questions and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks.